Pumice is a type of volcanic rock that is formed when lava cools rapidly and becomes full of small air pockets. It is often used in horticulture as a soil amendment or potting mix ingredient because it has several properties that make it beneficial for plants. One of the main advantages of using pumice in horticulture is that it is a very lightweight and porous material. This allows it to hold onto water and nutrients, improving soil structure and drainage. Pumice is also resistant to decay and compaction, making it long-lasting and useful for preventing soil erosion. In addition to its practical uses, pumice is also popular in horticulture because it has a unique and attractive appearance. It is often used as a decorative ground cover or as a mulch around plants, as it can add visual interest to a garden or landscape. It is important to note that pumice is not a good source of nutrients for plants, so it should be used in combination with other soil amendments or fertilizers. Additionally, it is not always the most practical choice for all types of horticultural projects because it can be expensive and difficult to find in some areas. Thanks for watching.